Whether you're new to sharpening knives or you're a seasoned knife sharpener, you could benefit from at least something from this video. Very short. My method is using cardboard back sandpaper, going through various grits that's on these paddles. And for quicker geometry results, couple that with two different thin diamond, whatever you call these things, stones that are placed on the plywood or wood. The idea is you hold a knife, you get the reflection of the knife, secondary bevel or wherever, and then you just use the paddles in this motion. It's fast, it's safe, it keeps your hand far away from the cutting edge, and what you'll get is you'll get a convex edge. As you get better, you can go forwards and backwards, and then your edge will improve, and it'll be a very good convex. Then when you're done, you just strop it the same way. And when you strop this way, it is much faster. It's you don't have to pay attention. It's more forgiving, and you will not be able to get this sort of speed with any other way. You'll get a great edge. You'll get a repeatable edge. These cardboard back sandpapers, they don't cost much to put together. They're relatively inexpensive. And here's a piece of wax paper. And this knife in particular is 46 thousandths behind the edge. And you'll see that the paper is wrinkly, and it'll still catch and slice. Usually you don't want to use wrinkly paper, but you can see that it wants to bite. That's all it is. Very simple, very inexpensive, and you can not care about the knife steel anymore when you purchase your knives, because you can sharpen them very easily